welcome back. I am with my oldest daughter Ryan today. We are going to be doing something for Valentine's Day. It is a heart-shaped braid. You want to say hi?
Hi.
She is very excited to tell all her friends that she's on YouTube now. Okay, so let's get started. I already started parting her hair. You're going to take a part straight down the middle. Nice face. And then I'm going to have you turn this way all the way, right? Now in the back, you are going to come right to about right here. And then you're going to part it in a heart shaped at the top. So if you can see here, it comes all the way to a point straight in the middle. And then the rest of it is going to just be down for now. And then you're going to have these two out of the way. Okay, we're going to start. Alright, what I like to do is kind of keep this separated from this. So I'm going to get it all brushed out on the bottom. And you're going to start with one hair tie, but you're going to have 3 total. Once it's all combed out, you're going to put it in ponytail right at the bottom. Alright, now you have the one ponytail at the bottom. So what you're going to do is you're going to use your French braiding technique, and you're going to start on one side of the head. Now it takes little hands to do this, or pretend that you have little hands. It's a little tricky, but once you get the hang of it, or you can use a comb to kind of get all those little pieces out. You're going to start, your head down. You're going to start with just a small, very small piece. We're going to take very tiny sections, and then you're going to start with your 3 pieces. Start like your normal braid. Now with this, we're going to want to stay right along the line of the heart. So you're going to take little sections from this side and then larger sections from the other. This is Ryan's favorite thing to have for hair on Valentine's Day. And every time we do it, we always have all the parents and students asking how this works. Don't we, Ryan?
Yep.
So maybe this year, if your friends see this video, maybe their mommies will do a heart braid for them. You can match.
Mommy, I was still finding the makeup what you could use.
Oh, thank you.
For your videos. For your makeup videos.
Oh, I'm not good at makeup, but I bet you could do makeup for my video.
I know, I wanted to do like, you could do a hairstyle first, and then we could do makeup, and then they could dress up. So it could be like all fancy.
My daughters love being fancy and girly, huh?
Yeah.
Who else likes doing makeup?
I do.
Who other than you?
Gemma.
Gemma. Who's Gemma? Tell everyone who Gemma is.
Our cousin, and she's gonna have a baby sister, so we get another cousin.
Yes! We are so excited.
Yep. I'm putting on all my makeup.
She is going to be my makeup artist soon. Soon to the channel. Makeup.
We're gonna do hairstyles and then makeup.
Now as you can see, the braid is starting to come along here. And remember to take the close sections to the heart and the thicker sections towards the front. And I like to take really narrow sections did a very pretty design. She made her own necklace. Yeah.
This is fun. Why does it look like it has a bruise on the back?
Because it's just that way. Okay, and then when you get to the end, you're going to braid the rest of it. Like a normal braid, right?
Yep.
Hold on, just a minute. She's very excited about these videos.
And I need it. Mommy.
So with this braid, instead of doing the pancake technique, I like to keep it really nice and clean so that it shows up as a really nice heart. Now instead of going all the way down for this braid, you're gonna go maybe halfway or so. Just enough so it'll reach all the way to that ponytail in the middle. And then you're gonna take your second hair tie and tie it off. Are you falling?
No.
I have short girls, so she is sitting on books right now.
No, I'm not.
What, babes?
I have a wiggly tooth on the top.
A wiggly tooth?
And I can wiggle it.
Now everyone can see this part of the braid. And we're going to start with the other side. And then you're going to take your last hair tie, tie this piece up. Okay, now we finish with our heart. You can look up and you have your 2 hearts. And then to finish it off, I like to pull them together to complete that heart. And with this, I like to use that middle hair tie and connect it all together. And then when you're finished, you're going to take out those other 2 hair ties that complete the braids, and then kind of undo the braids a little bit so that it's just into that regular ponytail. You can kind of brush out that ponytail a little bit, and then we are finished. I hope everyone has fun, and I hope everyone's daughters love this new heart braid.